Hi, I'm Heather. Welcome to class. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips for Trikonasana. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when a new video is available. Let's step wide. Tip number 1. As you turn your right foot out, right thigh turns out, and turn the left foot in, align the heel of the right foot with the arch of the left. Right thigh externally rotating. Tip number 2. Keep the hip sockets, shoulders in the same plane as the ankles. Let's go over the leg. Inhale. Exhale. Tip over the right leg, mindful that you're not sticking the buttocks back and letting the torso come forward. Press the buttocks forward, hips in the same plane as the ankles, draw the left chest up, shoulders in the same plane as the hips and the ankles. Commonly, if there's stiffness through the adductors, the hamstring muscles, the hips, as we come over to the side, the buttocks tend to stick back, the torso tends to lean forward. Our alignment tip is keeping the hips, the shoulders in the same plane as the feet. We press the buttocks forward as we lean over the leg. Roll the top shoulder tip back. Turn the top chest away from the floor. Tip number 3, press more into the ball of the foot and less into the heel. Inhale as you stand up. Turn your feet. Left side, as you turn your left foot and thigh out, turn the right foot in. The left thigh externally rotates. The heel of the left foot aligns with the arch of the right foot. Keep the left thigh externally rotating. Hips and shoulders in the same plane as the ankles as we stretch over the leg. Inhale. Exhale. Over the left leg, hand to shin. So the second tip was keeping the hips and shoulders in the same plane as the feet. Press the buttocks forward. Lift the right chest up. Third tip, as you press more through the ball of the foot than the heel, this can take pressure off any tendency to hyperextend the knee. Inhale as you stand up. Turn your feet to the front and we'll step in. A way to practice that using support to help with alignment is to go to the wall. If we take our mat right against the wall, we'll also work with a blanket underneath our heel. A folded blanket under the right heel, stride the left leg back. We have the body pinned to the wall, the hips and the shoulders in the same plane as the ankles. The blanket under the heel obviously elevates the heel, but it encourages us to press more into the ball of the foot, decreasing any tendency to hyperextend the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Tip over the leg, hand to shin. Use the wall as your guide for alignment. The wall is keeping the buttocks forward, keeping the hips in the same plane as the ankles. Likewise, as you pin your left shoulder to the wall, we're keeping the shoulders in the same plane as the hips and the ankles. As you turn to look up, spin the left chest up towards the ceiling. Inhale as you stand up. Exhale to release, and we swap legs. Take your blanket to the other side. The knee fold under your heel. Left heel on your folded blanket, ball of the foot on the sticky mat. Hop back. Pin the right heel to the wall. hips, shoulders in the same plane as the ankles. Keep this left thigh externally rotating. Inhale. Exhale. Tip over the leg. Watch your top shoulder doesn't come off the wall. Pin both shoulders back to the wall. Spin the right chest up. You feel how the wall is keeping the hips and the shoulders in the same plane as the feet. With the blanket under the heel, we're pressing firmly the ball of the foot into the floor to help prevent any tendency to hyperextend the knee. Inhale as you stand up. Exhale to release. There's 3 tips for Trikonasana. Thanks for joining me.